there, Jasmine with WTI. If you're looking to level up your luggage and travel in style, then you need Rosamo's 5-piece luggage set. This Rosamo set is easy on the eyes, such a sleek design. It has every feature you're looking for. Customizable locks. Each piece is expandable, including the over-the-shoulder travel bag, which I've never had a bag like this, so I'm highly impressed. It has high-quality zippers, 360 smooth like butter wheels, and all of the pieces are so lightweight, which means you can pack your luggage to the max. We had no problem packing what we needed for a 10-day trip as a family of 3 with this 5-piece set. And the luggage itself was easy to travel with. Even maxed out in weight limits, they rolled easily and flowed over bumps and transitions like nothing. And after all the checking and carousels, the luggage was still intact and still in one piece, which I was pleased with too. We highly recommend Rosamo if you're looking for a premium set of luggage. And that is my point of view.